To throw the book at. To throw the book at means to punish with full penalty, to be harsh on. Because the criminal was a repeat offender, the judge threw the book at him with heavy fines and a long prison term. My boss threw the book at me when he discovered that I had been using company time for personal businesses. I was severely reprimanded and forced to make up the lost time. To put one's foot in. To put one's foot in means to stay or do the wrong thing. To say or do the wrong thing. This idiom is used with the noun phrase one's mouth or the pronoun it. Fred usually put his foot in his mouth when he called his supervisor by the wrong name. I really put his foot in it when I forgot my girlfriend's birthday and didn't buy her anything. She almost lost her cool.